Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to design a Ganeva mechanism like this. And without wasting time, let's start it. First part, we make a Ganeva base. Go to from plan, active slot, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this line and this line, make distance 61.8mm. Okay, I make the circle radius is 8mm. Okay, go to feature, active extrude boss, make extrude parameter is 6mm. Okay, after that go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 8mm, click the circle and this circle, make equal, go to feature, active extrude boss, make extrude boss parameter is 20mm. Okay, see, go to this face again, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 12mm. Go to feature, active extrude boss, make extrude parameter is 10mm. Okay, see, now go to a branch, we choose black color. See, Ganeva base is ready. Second part, we make a Ganeva drive. Go to from plan, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 92mm. Go to feature, active extrude boss, make extrude parameter is 10mm. Okay, after that go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 53mm. Okay, active extrude boss, make extrude parameter is 10mm. Okay, go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 8mm. Active extrude cut, we choose through all. Okay, next step, go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, click this point and this point, make horizontal, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 53mm. Click the circle and this point, make distance 33mm. Sorry, the circle diameter is 55mm. Next step, click this edge and active convert entities. Active trim, cut this line. Go to feature, active extrude cut. Extrude cut parameter is 10 mm. Okay. See? Go to this face. Active circle again. Click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Click this circle and this point. Make distance 36.33 mm. And make the circle diameter is 8 mm. Click this point to this point. Make horizontal. Active extrude boss. Extrude parameter is 10 mm. Okay. See? Now go to appearance. Choose red color. Okay. See? Ganeva Drive is ready. Third part we make is another Ganeva Drive. Go to front plane, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 92 mm. Active extrude boss, make extrude boss parameter is 10 mm. Okay. After that, go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 53 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance is 61.8 mm. Click this point and this point, make vertical. Go to feature, active extrude cut, and OK. See? Sorry, before that, first we make a hole in the middle part. Go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 8 mm. Active extrude cut, and OK. See? And roll back again. After that, active circular pattern. Click this X circle for direction parameter. Choose this feature. Make 5 pieces. OK. See? Now go to this face. Active center line. Click from this point to this point. Active slot. Click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Click this point and click this arc. Make distance 35 mm. Maybe 30 mm. Make sort radius is 4 mm. Active extrude cut. And OK. See? After that, active circular pattern. Click this H for direction parameter and click this feature for pattern parameter. Make 5 pieces. OK. See? Now go to a branch. Choose yellow color. OK. See? Ganeva Drive is ready. Now let's assembly Ganeva mechanism. First, insert Ganeva Base. Make this part flat and make this part for our center Ganeva mechanism like this. After that, insert another part. Let's insert Ganeva Drive. Make Ganeva Drive to Ganeva Base like this. See, Ganeva mechanism is ready. Next step, let's make the Montion mechanism. First, go to Solidworks add-ins, active Solidworks Montion. Now go to Montion Study. Change to Motion Analysis. Next step, active contact. Choose curve type. Active Selection Manager. And click this edge for curve 1 parameter. Okay. And click this edge for curve 2 parameter. Make sure the arrow go outside part. Okay. Active contact again. Choose curve type again. And select this edge for curve 1 parameter. Okay. And click this edge for curve 2 parameter. Uncheck material and friction. Go to preview contact, uncheck material and friction too. Okay. Now active motor. Click this phase. Make constant speed parameter is 20 rpm. Okay. Now let's start calculate. See? Simple mechanism is ready. And this is the animation. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks using my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next mechanism. See ya!